Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. Today we're reading from the Safar Abridged Qaidah, page 52. It's the one verse or one line exercise. So because we're getting towards the end of the Qaidah now, we're basically practicing on fluency. So let's start with box number 1. Wallahu ya'lamu ma tusirruna wa ma tu'linun. The circle there, so we stop. The next line, example number 2. والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون. Again, you've got the circle there, swad above it, lam alif above it. That's fine, you can stop. Box number 3, or sorry, example number 3, because it goes on to the next line. We haven't got boxes anymore. للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة. So we stop on there by changing the ta into a ha sakina, and because there's a tha there, we stop. Example 4. إلا كلمح البصر أو هو أقرب. Because you've got the tha there, the ba becomes sakin, and you stop. Example number 5. تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا. So here there's no symbol for stopping there. So in the Quran you can carry on there, burujan, and carry on reading. Box number 6. أسلم قال أسلمت لرب العالمين. So we've got the lam alif there. Aslim قال. If you remember from last lesson, if you see lam alif without a circle underneath it, you always carry on. And when you're stopping, it says alim, sorry, alameen. So we stop there because there's a circle. Example number 7. قل للمؤمنين يغضوا من أبصارهم. Again, in the Quran, this probably carries on because you haven't got a stopping symbol at the end there. But either way, the way you read that is him, because there's a sukoon on the meme. Example number 8. فاستعذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. And there's a circle there, so you stop on that meme. The meme becomes sakin. Box number 10. والذين هم على صلاتهم يحافظون. Stop on the noons and it becomes sakin because you've got the circle there. You're going to stop there. Example 11. قل ما أسألكم عليه من أجر. And if you're going to stop, if you're going to carry on, sorry, it would be أجر and then carry on. Example 12. وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. You got the tha there, the symbol, so it's a stop. Example 13. قد أحاط بكل شيء علما. You got the ayn there with the circle underneath it, so it's a stop. And the last one, 14. وتوكل على الحي الذي. I'm not exactly sure what the end of that sentence is. We can leave it there. وتوكل على الحي الذي. If you're going to stop there, you would say حي الذي, because it's got a sukoon at the end. That example does carry on, but we can cover that in the next lesson, inshallah. So that's today's lesson done. Jazakallah khairan for tuning in, and hope you're enjoying the lessons. Please do like, subscribe, share, and comment if you need to. That's the end of the lesson. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.